Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you damage that just about every single vehicle 2023 and beyond has. Whether or not you realize it, I'm going to show you some of it. Okay, generally what happens is at the factory there are some dust nibs, or potentially at the dealership some damage has occurred, or somebody has tried to polish vehicles. Usually we think it's defects being removed from the factory. So you see this vehicle it's a Dodge Challenger shakedown. It looks like it's perfectly clear, but when we put our inspection light on it, you see that hologram looking, see how it changes? Like right there is fine, and then this has that hologram effect where it sort of follows the lights. That's from a polisher. So this is from an aggressive polish that, this is aggressive polish that wasn't then finished off. So probably somebody compounded a defect here, but then they didn't do a fine enough polish. This is another area of this shakedown, and you can see it, you can kind of see that haziness right in here. See how it's more of a, see that almost this circular section here? Probably a dust nib or something that was sanded off at the factory and then not, again, compounded but not polished. You can see those like hairlines, see how that does that. That's pretty typical for a polish that was not finished off correctly. And you're probably thinking to yourself, well, it's probably because it's a Dodge or it's a Ford or it's, you know, any number of vehicles. I'm telling you that every single vehicle, whether it's a $20,000 car to over $100,000 car, has these marks, and we're noticing it more and more in vehicles 2023 and beyond. And even if you're buying a Ferrari or a Porsche or something, a lot of times those cars even have runs in the paint. So it's not an issue with a domestic vehicle, it's not an issue with an exotic car, it's almost every single car. Okay, so you're probably wondering, what is the solution? Well, the only solution for these is to polish it. So we're gonna take care of it for this client, and this is, you know, the last shakedown we had 10 of those spots. This has a little bit less, but again, Corvettes have it, the Challengers have it, every single Honda CR-V has it, Mercedes has it, every vehicle we've had has it. If we see them and we catch it, especially on a job that we're specifically just coating, we always take care of it for a client if we notice it, but that's the only solution. So if you notice that you have it, you're gonna have to find somebody who's qualified to polish that out for you.